Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious mango shake. It's the perfect drink for the summer. So you're going to need some mangoes, vanilla ice cream, and some milk. Okay, so these are the mangoes that I'm going to be using. You're also going to be needing a blender to blend everything together, and some milk, and some ice cream, but I'm using frozen yogurt today. You're also going to need a knife and a spoon. So you want to start washing the mangoes and then just taking the spoon and taking all the fruit out of the peel like this. This is the best way to get all the fruit part out of the, fruit. And as you can see, I'm just peeling it straight into the blender. I mean, you can put it in a bowl and then add it to the blender, but why do you want to wash more dishes? So now for the pit of the mango, I like to take it by the sides like this with the knife. And then just taking the other rest of the fruit part off of the pit. This is the best way to take all the mango out of the pit. You have peeled all the mangoes and have them in the blender, then you just want to put some ice cream in there. So I'm using 1 cup, and I'm actually using frozen yogurt today, and you can actually omit this, but this gives a richer, creamier texture, and it makes it a little bit sweeter. So depending on the sweetness of the mangoes or how ripe they are. And also adding 5 cups of milk to this. You can also use a dairy-free version like almond milk. Okay, so then you just want to blend that all together. And if you want a crunch factor, then just add in some like almonds in there. And that tastes really good. But you're ready to serve and enjoy the delicious drink. It's really good. You guys, I hope you guys try this out and let me know how you guys like it.